dear friends, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing great. Friends, today I am back again with another newly launched product review, and that is from the brand Stay Quirky. So today I am going to review Stay Quirky Love Biting Lipstick Pencils. So friends, this is a new launch from Stay Quirky, which is an exclusive brand of purplle.com, and this is also a really very affordable brand, and all the products are very affordable. Along with that, they are also really very good quality. So that's why I thought of purchasing these two lip pencils for myself, and I want to try them out so that I can share my review with you all, so that it's going to help you if you are planning to buy this. Before starting the review of this product, I just wanted to request you all, please subscribe to my channel, which is absolutely free, and also hit the notification icon so that you'll be notified whenever I upload such videos for you all. And also please give it a like and share. So let's get started with a review of these lipsticks first. I'll also share the lip swatches and the close-up of these lip pencils with you all. So friends, you can see the packaging. Here it's written Stay Quirky Love Biting Lipstick Pencil. So the packaging is really very beautiful. This is the outer cardboard packaging. These lipstick pencils come in very beautiful packaging, very cute, very trendy, you can see. And here it's written Bedtime Flirt 2. This is the shade name and the shade number. You can see here the ingredients are mentioned. So there is no paraben in this lipstick pencil. And here some details are also mentioned, like the expiry is mentioned. So we are getting 4 years of shelf life to use this product, and we are getting 2.1 gram of lipstick in this, and MRP is rupees 259. So friends, you can see the packaging of these lipsticks, these lipstick pencils. So these come in packaging like this, a matte black packaging. They're very small, and it's written Stay Quirky, and here you can see the shade name and the number is mentioned, that is Bedtime Flirt 2. And all the details that we are getting on the outer cardboard packaging, everything is mentioned over here. Even the expiry is also mentioned. So if you are throwing the outer cardboard packaging, you need not worry. So friends, you can see these lipstick pencils are color coded. Here the shade color is also given at the back. So you can see with a single stroke, the pigmentation is really very good. And you can see this is a very pretty shade. So now I'll be swatching this shade and I'll be showing you on my hand. This is the shade Wedding Night 1. This is a very pretty deep purple shade, and this one you can see this is a pretty maroon shade. So friends, these lip pencils are available in 15 shades on purplle.com, and there are so many nude shades in this collection, but the two shades that I have taken are dark shades because it is very misleading on purplle.com. So sometimes the shades that we see on the website that are completely different than what we actually get. So that's why I don't want to take any risk, because some shades might wash out me. So that's why I've taken these two darker shades. So friends, these lipsticks are in pencil form. So one major issue with the packaging that I found is there are no sharpener given with this pencil as free. So we have to buy the Stay Quirky sharpener to sharpen these lip crayons, and if we sharp any product, it's going to be wasted. So that is what I don't like. Friends, coming to the claims of these lip pencil on purplle.com, it's written they are highly pigmented, and they are transfer proof and smudge resistant, and they are long lasting. So friends, coming to the first claim, that is highly pigmented, these lip pencils are really very highly pigmented, and on a single swipe we'll be getting very good color payoff. And you can see friends, I have applied one shade on my lips right now. So with a single stroke, it has completely covered my pigmented lips. So coming to the transfer proof and smudge resistant claim, so friends, these are not at all transfer proof, and they are also not smudge resistant. So that claim is not actually true, because these lipsticks are soft matte. They give a very good matte, yet they are creamy. So these lipsticks are going to smudge and transfer from your lips. And coming to the third claim, that is it is long lasting. These lipsticks will last for around some 3 to 4 hours on lips. Friends, now coming to the formula of these lipsticks, the lipsticks are matte. They are soft matte in formula, so they are really very comfortable on lips. The formula is so good, I liked it so much. It is buttery smooth. While applying, it glides so smoothly. If you're thinking to take something for the coming winters, then definitely you can take these lip pencils. And if you're someone who is having very dry lips or chapped lips, and if you hate matte lipsticks, in that case you can definitely take these lipsticks. They are really very much comfortable and nourishing on lips. It has vitamin E and coconut oil, which are really very much moisturizing on lips. Friends, coming to the lasting power and everything, thing, these lipsticks will last for around 3 to 4 hours on your lips, not more than that, because these are creamy matte, because these are soft matte lipsticks, that's why. And if you are eating something or drinking something, then definitely they're going to fade off from your lips, leaving a very good tint on your lips. So friends, coming to the smell of this lipstick pencils, they are very light fragrance, very light smell that immediately fades away from lips, and it will not at all stay on your lips. Right now I'm not getting any smell from this lipstick that I've applied on my lips. So friends, now I'll be sharing the swatches of these lipsticks, the lip swatches of these lipsticks on my lips. The shade that right now I am wearing on my lips is this shade. This is the shade called Wedding Night 1, and you can see friends, it's such a pretty purple shade, and it will suit for all Indian skin tones, starting from fair to dusky skin tones. It is a universally flattering shade friends, and I highly recommend this shade. So now I'll be applying this shade, that is the shade Bedtime Flirt 2, and I'll be showing you right now. So you can see the pigmentation it has given on a single stroke. Wow. You can see this shade looks so pretty. This is a perfect maroon shade, and it will look pretty on each and every skin tone, starting from fair to dusky skin tones. Particularly on deeper skin tones, this shade will look very pretty friends, very gorgeous. First of all, this brand is a really very affordable brand. So the price is actually little bit high of these lip pencils according to the quantity that we are getting, but obviously these are always available on good discounts on purplle.com. so whenever there are good discounts going on purplle.com, at that time you can pick them up at really very good discounts. Friends, I highly recommend you should definitely take these lipstick pencils. You can definitely invest your money in these lipstick pencils. Hope I have covered all the points, and this particular video is really helpful to you all. Once again, I'll be back with another such video for you all. So till then, stay safe, stay healthy, take care, and love you all.